Matt Santa Capital from the Santa Sells Houses team, and this is another episode of our Monday market update for October 30th. So Halloween is tomorrow. Get your sugar for the kids. Yeah, I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't snow because it's starting to get cold in our neck of the woods. Anyways, just finished showing a property of ours. Sure, property plug. If anybody's looking for a 1 acre farmhouse with a 40 by 80 shop, we've got one out on Heritage Road, which is called about 10 minutes northeast of London, just on the edge of Thorndale. $799, 4 bedrooms, 1 bath, massive shop. Nice, cool little place if you're looking for something that needs a bit of work and you want some country space. Anyways, let's jump into the numbers because I also want to break down in this video some interesting numbers on what price points are selling. So let's start at the top on the regular Monday market update. New listings this past week came in at 179, conditionally sold listings at 56, and then sold or pending closing is 106. Now, a couple other interesting numbers. Canceled listings this past week were at 88, almost going to breach 100 here. It's a lot. We generally don't see that many canceled listings, and then price decreases were at 82. So we're seeing, this past week, we saw almost 100 canceled listings and 82, almost 100 price decreases. Decreases are going to keep happening. I do believe those numbers are going to increase over the next, call it 60 days. The reality is that prices are still a little too high in a lot of cases, and we're going to dig into that right now. So what I wanted to do is, out of those 106 homes that are sold pending closing, I wanted to break them down into price ranges to really show what is going on in the market. So our first bracket of pricing, if we go from $0 to $299,999, 4 properties sold $1 and less below $300,000. Now, from $300,000 to $499,999, we saw 32 units sell. Between $500 and $699,999, 42 units sold. And then once we hit 700, so from 700 to $1 shy of 900,000, 5 units sold. From 900,000 to 1,199,999, another 5 units sold. And from 1.2 million and up, 3 units sold, with the highest price being 1.45 million. Why do I think these numbers are important? I think this goes to show that affordability is a big problem right now. And as well, this is why we're seeing so many homes sit. For instance, new construction housing, single detached home, it's next to impossible to get really much lower than, call it maybe 900,000. So you might be wondering why homes are sitting. They're sitting because people can't afford the payment, is quite literally the simple explanation. So 2 things have to happen. 1 is prices come down, or 2, payments come down. And the only way payments come down is either more money down, or we need to see interest rates ease or come down. And let's be honest, that's not happening, at least in the near term. And when I say near term, probably at least 3 to 6 months. We're probably going to stay where we're at. Now, another interesting number I want to throw out is, as of the end of September, which, yes, that was 30 days ago, we had 2,123 homes listed. Now, the vast majority, I would say at least 50%, are 700,000 and above. However, we're talking that's only about 8 to 9% of the sales. So there's this huge muck, I'm just going to call it, in the market right now, because we, quite frankly, we do not have enough homes for sale between the $300,000 and $700,000 range, and we have so much that is that 700,000 plus. So again, anyways, interesting numbers. Again, happy Halloween to everybody. Have a safe Halloween. Next week, hopefully, we have a analysis of what we saw over October. That'll be Dale Marsh from our team going over that. In the meantime, if you do have any questions about your current situation, the current market, or potentially the future market and what it might look like 6 months to 12 months from now, feel free to hit us up. All of our contact info is below. Send us a direct message. Google Santa sells houses. There's really only one Santa that sells houses, so it's pretty easy to find us. Have a good one, guys.